W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw balloons. I'm so excited. I love balloons and they're so easy for us to draw. We only need 3 basic lines and shapes to create a balloon. But we're going to make 3 balloons. We need an arc, an oval, and a triangle. Can you believe that? That's all we need to make these balloons. Let's see how it all fits together. So we're going to draw 3 ovals. Those will be the balloons. But we'll put them one right about here on the paper. It's one oval. And then we'll do another one that's up here. And you want to make these about the same size, but they don't have to be exactly the same size. It's okay if they're a little different. Because sometimes when we blow up balloons, sometimes balloons have more air and sometimes they don't. So it's okay if they're a little different in size. In fact, I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. Because this one, maybe I blew this balloon up a little bit bigger. Okay, now if you want, I noticed that when I was drawing these balloons that this one has a thicker outline and this one doesn't. So you can always fix your drawing as you go. I might make this one a little bit thicker just so it matches, but you don't have to. It's your drawing. You can do whatever you want with your drawing, and I'm going to do this outline on my drawing. Okay, so we have our 3 ovals. Now we're going to add triangles. And this is where you would tie the balloon. So you just add a triangle at the bottom of the balloon, just like that, and then one more. Look at that, we have 3 balloons. But you know what? Those balloons are going to float away unless we put a string to hold them with. So let's make the strings at the bottom of the balloon. We're going to just add an arc, and the arc will go around like this, and it's a wide arc here. And then we're going to draw another arc and make it go in the opposite direction. And then one more arc going in the opposite direction. And now we have a string. Let's do that again with this balloon. We'll first draw a big arc like this, and then we'll have it go in the opposite direction. And then we'll do another arc and have it go in the opposite direction. And it looks like we have a big wavy line. Look at that. And we'll do this one more time. We'll have a big arc come off the balloon, and then we'll have it go around in the opposite direction. And then we'll do one more in the opposite direction. And there we go, everybody. We made balloons together. How fun is that? What color are you going to make your balloons? You could make them any color you want. Wow. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.